Hello. A deadly fire broke out at a luxury ski resort in Switzerland on New Year's Eve, killing several people and injuring others. According to authorities, the fire started late at night while guests were celebrating the new year. Emergency services responded quickly, but the flames spread rapidly through parts of the building. Witnesses described scenes of panic as guests tried to escape through smoke-filled corridors. Firefighters worked for hours to bring the blaze under control. Officials say the exact cause of the fire is still under investigation, and forensic teams are examining the site to determine how it started. Swiss authorities have confirmed that the owner of the ski resort has been taken into custody as part of the investigation. Prosecutors say the detention does not automatically mean guilt, but is necessary to question the owner and examine possible safety violations. Investigators are focusing on fire safety systems, building regulations, and whether emergency exits were properly maintained. Local officials say victims' families will receive full support, while the resort remains closed indefinitely. As Switzerland mourns the tragedy, authorities promise a full and transparent investigation to ensure accountability and prevent similar disasters in the future. Authorities say the fire spread rapidly due to the building's structure and indoor airflow. Some guests were asleep while others were celebrating New Year's Eve, making evacuation difficult as thick smoke filled the corridors. Firefighters arrived within minutes, but heavy snow and freezing temperatures slowed rescue efforts. Several people were rescued from upper floors, and many were treated for smoke inhalation at nearby hospitals. Swiss prosecutors say holding the resort owner in custody is a standard legal procedure after deadly incidents and does not imply guilt. Investigators are now reviewing fire alarms, emergency exits, and past safety inspections. The tragedy has deeply shocked the local community and the tourism industry. Residents gathered to light candles for the victims, while officials promised a full and transparent investigation to prevent similar disasters in the future. The deadly fire at a luxury Swiss ski resort on New Year's Eve has left the nation in shock. Authorities report that the flames spread rapidly through multiple floors, fueled by the building's design and strong indoor air circulation. Guests described terrifying scenes as thick smoke filled the corridors and stairwells, forcing many to crawl or hold their breath while evacuating. Some guests were asleep when the fire began, while others were celebrating the holiday in communal areas, which contributed to the chaos. Firefighters and emergency teams arrived within minutes, but severe winter weather, including heavy snow and icy conditions, complicated their efforts. Rescue crews worked tirelessly through freezing temperatures, carrying individuals from upper floors and helping those overcome by smoke inhalation. Local hospitals admitted several victims for treatment, and authorities continue to assess the full scale of injuries. Swiss prosecutors have taken the resort owner into custody, a standard precaution in cases of deadly accidents, to assist with the investigation. Experts emphasize that detention does not equate to guilt, and the investigation will focus on compliance with fire safety regulations, maintenance of emergency exits, and operational protocols for New Year's celebrations. Eyewitness accounts reveal that the resort lacked proper signage in some areas, and guests reported difficulties locating emergency exits amidst panic. Authorities are also reviewing the functionality of fire alarms, sprinkler systems, and staff training to respond to emergencies. Every angle is being scrutinized to understand how this tragedy could have unfolded and to prevent future incidents. The local community has expressed deep sorrow and solidarity with the victims' families. Candlelight vigils have been held near the resort, and social media is flooded with messages of condolence from across Europe. Tourism officials warn that the region will need time to recover, as confidence in safety standards is being reassessed by potential visitors. Authorities assure the public that the investigation will be transparent and measures will be taken to ensure stricter safety compliance across resorts. Meanwhile, the resort remains closed indefinitely.